Here's something truly amazing. With just one simple ingredient, you can create your very own fresh butter right at home. Forget complicated machines or special skills. All you really need is a jar, some cream, and a little bit of patience. Let's embark on this delicious journey and make homemade butter together. It's a rewarding experience that connects you directly to your food. To begin, select a high-quality heavy cream. While fresh local cream often yields the most exquisite flavor, a good store-bought heavy cream will work perfectly well too. Ensure it's full fat for the best results. Pour your chosen cream into a clean, sturdy jar. Remember to fill it only halfway. This crucial empty space allows the cream to move freely and churn effectively as you shake it. It's essential for the transformation to happen. Now for the most engaging part, the shaking. Secure the lid tightly and start shaking with enthusiasm. Initially, the cream will remain liquid, just as you'd expect. After a minute or two, you'll notice a subtle change. It will begin to thicken, taking on a consistency much like freshly whipped cream. Keep shaking steadily. Don't give up now. This is precisely where the magic truly begins to unfold. You'll feel the jar getting heavier in your hands as the cream continues to transform. Soon, you'll hear a distinct thud or sloshing sound inside the jar. That sound is your clear signal. It means the butter solids are separating from the liquid buttermilk. This is the moment you've been waiting for, indicating your hard work is paying off. Open the jar to reveal the incredible result: beautiful, golden clumps of butter floating in a milky liquid. This liquid is the buttermilk. Carefully pour out the buttermilk into another bowl. Please don't discard it. This is real, fresh buttermilk. You can use it for baking fluffy pancakes, tender biscuits, or even as a refreshing, tangy drink. It's a valuable byproduct of your butter-making efforts. Next, we need to wash the butter. Add cold water into the jar with your butter and stir it around gently. The water will turn cloudy as it absorbs residual buttermilk. Drain this cloudy water, then repeat the process. Continue adding fresh cold water and draining until the water runs completely clear. This vital step removes any remaining buttermilk, which helps keep your homemade butter fresh for a much longer period. Now you have pure, fresh butter. You can press it into a block, shape it with a spoon, or even add a pinch of sea salt for enhanced flavor. Spread your freshly made butter generously on warm toast, a crusty baguette, or a freshly baked scone. Savor the rich, creamy taste that only homemade butter can provide. You've just created real butter straight from your kitchen. Simple, natural, and absolutely delicious. That's the unparalleled joy of homemade butter.